In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. Slack canvases are simple, built-in pages you can use to capture notes, plans, or shared resources right where your team collaborates. They keep context and content together, so instead of juggling separate docs and links, you can draft ideas, outline processes, or collect references alongside your conversations. To get started, open Slack and look to the left sidebar. Click on Files, then choose Canvases. This is your home base for everything Canvas related. From here, you can see existing canvases your workspace has access to and create new ones. When you're ready to make a new canvas, you have two options. You can start from a template, which gives you a structured layout for common needs like meeting notes or project briefs, or you can begin from scratch if you prefer a blank page. Templates are handy when you want a consistent format. Starting from scratch is great when your use case is unique. If you decide to use a template, click on the one that matches your goal, then select Use Template. Slack will instantly generate a new canvas based on that layout, so you don't have to build the structure yourself. Once your canvas is created, you can manually edit it. Click anywhere to start typing and format your content with headings, bold or italic text, and lists to make it scannable. Add clear section titles, keep paragraphs short, and use checklists for action items to make next steps obvious. Don't worry about losing changes. Slack saves as you type, so you can focus on drafting without hunting for a save button. It helps to give your canvas a concise, descriptive title so teammates can find it later. You can rearrange sections as your ideas evolve, and keep the writing conversational so people understand the purpose at a glance. When you're finished editing and ready to share, go to the top right of the canvas and click Share. Adjust the permissions so the right people in your workspace can access it. Set the level of access that matches your intent, whether you want others to view or collaborate. Before you confirm, double-check that the permissions reflect who needs to see it, so there are no surprises. You can always revisit the share settings later if access needs change. And there you go. You accessed canvases from files, created one using a template or from scratch, edited the content to fit your needs, and shared it by updating permissions. If you follow this flow each time, your team will always know where to find the latest information. That's all you need to confidently start using canvases in Slack.